All right, this question wants us to find the theta required to push a box that weighs 15,000 pounds up this ramp if it only requires 5,000 pounds of force this way. So, what we need to do is relate the forces that we have to the angle. So, let's think of what this 5,000 means. So, if that's what's required to push the box up, what that force really is it's really fighting the component of gravity that's pulling the box down the ramp. Because you can see, we can split this into a right triangle where we have the green component pulling down